In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach eBay customer service efficiently. Whether you're facing issues with a purchase, need help with your account, or have general inquiries, connecting with customer service can sometimes be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate the eBay website and have eBay call you directly for support. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is head over to eBay's official website. Open your preferred web browser and enter ebay.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by all the usual exciting promotions and product showcases right there on the homepage. It's easy to get sidetracked with so many things catching your eye, but stay focused as we aim to reach the customer service section today. The next step is crucial. Once you're on the eBay homepage, you'll want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. This is where you'll find various links and options that help users navigate different services and assistance eBay provides. It's a treasure trove of helpful insights, but we're interested in a specific part of it now. Look for the Help and Contact link down there. You'll see it nestled among other options in the website's footer. Give that a click. This is where the magic happens, and it opens up a new world of support options tailored to fit your every need. Now you're on the eBay customer service page. Here, eBay has organized topics into different categories like bidding and buying, payment and shipping, and so on. Since we're focusing on contacting customer support, look for the contact options. Right here, we have the golden feature, Have Us Call You. This is a fantastic option if you prefer speaking with a customer service representative directly rather than typing out emails or messages. Click on the Have Us Call You button and you'll be asked to provide a few details just to verify your account and your phone number. At this point, ensure you enter all required information accurately. This step is key because you don't want a mix-up leading to a delay in getting the help you need. Once that's done, eBay will get in touch with you through an automated system. Simply follow any additional prompts and wait for their call. And that's it. You've successfully set up to have eBay customer service call you back at your convenience. This method is so straightforward and cuts down the wait time, making it way more efficient than staying on hold in a long call queue. Remember, having the right contact details handy and being in a place where you can readily take the call makes the process smoother. Now you're all set, and I hope this guide has alleviated any stress involved in contacting eBay directly. Thanks for tuning into this quick tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.